Biography of Elon Musk. Early life and education. Elon Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa. His mother, May Musk, is a Canadian model and dietitian, while his father, Elon Musk, is a South African electromechanical engineer. Elon grew up in a household that valued engineering and innovation, which would greatly influence his future endeavors. Despite his achievements, Elon's childhood wasn't always easy. He faced bullying at school and experienced a turbulent family life. Musk showed an early interest in technology and entrepreneurship. At the age of 10, he developed a passion for computers and taught himself how to code. By the time he was 12, he had created a video game called Blaster, which he sold to a magazine for $500. In 1989, at the age of 17, Musk moved to Canada to attend Queen's University and avoid mandatory military service in South Africa. After 2 years, he transferred to the University of Pennsylvania, where he earned 2 bachelor's degrees, one in physics from the College of Arts and Sciences and another in economics from the Wharton School of Business. Moved to the US and early ventures. After completing his degrees in 1995, Musk moved to California to pursue a PhD in applied physics at Stanford University. However, he dropped out just 2 days into the program, choosing instead to take advantage of the booming internet industry. His first company, Zip2, was founded with his brother, Kimball Musk, in 1996. Zip2 was an online city guide for newspapers, and the company was sold to Compaq in 1999 for nearly $300 million. Musk earned $22 million from the sale and used part of the money to co-found X.com, an online payment company. This venture would eventually become PayPal after merging with a company called Confinity. In 2002, PayPal was sold to eBay for $1.5 billion, netting Musk $165 million. SpaceX and the vision for Mars. With his newfound wealth, Musk turned his attention to space exploration. In 2002, he founded SpaceX, Space Exploration Technologies Corp., with the aim of reducing the cost of space travel and making human life multiplanetary. His goal was to establish a human colony on Mars. SpaceX's early years were challenging, with 3 failed rocket launches that nearly drove the company to bankruptcy. However, in 2008, SpaceX successfully launched Falcon 1, becoming the first privately funded company to send a liquid-fueled rocket into orbit. This success caught the attention of NASA, which awarded SpaceX a $1.6 billion contract to resupply the International Space Station, ISS. Since then, SpaceX has continued to revolutionize space travel, with innovations such as reusable rockets like the Falcon 9 and the development of the Starship, a spacecraft designed for deep space exploration and potential missions to Mars. In 2020, SpaceX became the first private company to send astronauts to the ISS, marking a major milestone in commercial spaceflight. Tesla and the electric car revolution. In addition to his work with SpaceX, Musk joined Tesla Motors in 2004, a year after it was founded by Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning. Although Musk was initially the company's primary investor and chairman, he eventually took over as CEO and product architect. Tesla's mission was to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy through electric vehicles, EVs, and renewable energy solutions. Tesla's early years were fraught with challenges, including production delays and financial difficulties. However, the company's first major success came with the Model S sedan, which received critical acclaim for its range, performance, and design. This success helped establish Tesla as a major player in the automotive industry. Tesla continued to innovate with subsequent models, such as the Model 3, which became the world's best-selling EV. Beyond cars, Tesla has also expanded into energy products, including solar panels and energy storage systems like the Powerwall and Powerpack. In 2020, Tesla became the most valuable automaker in the world, and Musk's net worth skyrocketed as a result. Other ventures and innovations. Elon Musk's entrepreneurial efforts extend far beyond Tesla and SpaceX. In 2016, he founded Neuralink, a neurotechnology company aimed at developing brain-machine interfaces that could help humans interact with machines using their minds. The long-term goal is to enhance human cognitive abilities and potentially address neurological conditions like paralysis and Alzheimer's disease. In the same year, Musk also founded the Boring Company, which aims to reduce traffic congestion through underground tunnel systems. The company has worked on several projects, including a transportation loop in Las Vegas. Musk has also promoted the idea of a hyperloop, a high-speed transportation system that could move people and goods at unprecedented speeds using low-pressure tubes. Public persona and controversies. Elon Musk is known for his bold and sometimes controversial statements. He is highly active on social media, particularly Twitter, now known as X, after Musk's acquisition of the platform in 2022, where he often shares updates on his companies and interacts with his followers. His public persona has drawn both admiration and criticism. He has been involved in various legal disputes, including a highly publicized defamation lawsuit in 2018, which he won. Musk has also faced criticism for his management style, with reports of long working hours and high employee turnover at his companies. Despite these controversies, Musk's contributions to technology and space exploration have earned him a place among the most influential figures of the 21st century. Personal life: Elon Musk has been married 3 times, twice to actress Tallulah Riley. He has 6 sons from his first marriage to Canadian author Justine Wilson. His first son, Nevada, tragically passed away from sudden infant death syndrome, SIDS, at 10 weeks old. In recent years, Musk has been in a relationship with Canadian musician Grimes, with whom he has 2 children, including a son famously named XAA12. Musk's intense work schedule is well known, and he often works 80 to 100 hours per week. Despite this, he maintains an active interest in a wide variety of topics, from artificial intelligence to space colonization. Legacy and impact: Elon Musk's legacy is still being written, but his impact on multiple industries is undeniable. Through SpaceX, he has reignited public interest in space exploration and has brought us closer to becoming a multi-planetary species. Through Tesla, he has revolutionized the auto industry and accelerated the transition to sustainable energy. His other ventures, including Neuralink and the Boring Company, continue to push the boundaries of what's possible. Musk's vision for the future is nothing short of ambitious, and his influence will likely be felt for generations to come.